Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by creating a non-destructive workflow. Duplicate the background so you can always revert. Next, pick a selection tool based on edges, quick selection for simple shapes, lasso for rough areas, pen for precise curves. Carefully trace around the object. Make sure to add or subtract from the selection using Shift and Alt/Option. Once you have a clean marquee, refine the edges with Select and Mask to soften or contract the selection so that the removal blends seamlessly with the surroundings. Once your selection is prepared, you have two main approaches: content-aware fill for quick, automated fills, or manual cleanup with clone stamp and healing brush when textures demand care. If using content-aware, choose Edit Content-Aware Fill, preview results, and adjust sampling areas. For manual fixes, paint on a new layer and sample nearby pixels with Alt or Option to preserve texture and lighting. Switch brush hardness and opacity as needed. Make small strokes and continuously toggle visibility to evaluate how natural the patch looks. To finish, merge adjustments non-destructively or keep layers for future edits. Use subtle dodge and burn to match highlights and shadows, then apply a tiny amount of noise to match grain. If you see visible seams or repeating patterns, don't panic. Undo the last step, revisit Select and Mask, expand or contract the selection, and rerun content-aware or reclone with different source points. If texture still mismatches, try frequency separation to independently fix color and detail. This often resolves persistent artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.